Hello everyone, I'm Simit from Kai Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to find relevant Instagram users for visual social marketing campaigns. Since you watched this video, you're one of those who want to advertise on Instagram. Here are some ways to find relevant Instagram users. A relevant user for your visual social marketing campaign on Instagram is someone who may be interested in your photos, business, product, or service. And the first step in finding relevant users is to find the users on Instagram whom you want to connect with. The starting point for this task is knowing the target audience you want to reach, and then you need to follow some steps to find them on Instagram. At first, write down the types of photos that your target audience is sharing or interested in. Consider your target audience. What types of photos are they sharing? What types of photos are they interested in? And the answers to these questions can help you search for your target audience on Instagram. And then brainstorm the hashtags your target audience may be using. Evaluate the hashtags that your audience might be using in their posts and make a list of the hashtags that describe the images your target audience may be sharing or interested in. And then search Instagram. Spend some time searching Instagram for users who are taking, sharing, and liking images. Search for the hashtags identified in step 2. And note the users who are sharing photos with these hashtags and the users liking and commenting on these photos. These Instagram users might be interested in your photos as well. And then note the types of images that are shared and popular. As you explore hashtags and search for Instagram users, notice the types of photos they are interested in, and pay attention to the pictures that generate a lot of likes and comments because they can inspire ideas for posting on your own Instagram account. Also, note their captions and hashtags. They can give you ideas for additional searches as well as for hashtags and captions for your own photos. And interact with these users. After you identify the users who might be interested in connecting with you, the next step is to interact with them. You can either search Instagram on your mobile device with the Instagram application or search Instagram from a computer by using the Statigram website. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.